is.
We're just
Clap.
gonna stare at the camera.
He loves being in front of the camera.
It came right up to
Woo! Woo! Can you clap for the camera? You were just clapping. That's why I turned it on. Oh, you're trying to stand. You're gonna get hurt. Uh-oh. You have a piece of my hair on you. Say hi, Mama. You have a long hair on you. Say hi, Mama. I can clap now. I can clap. Say, Mama. I can eat you. Are you eating me? All right, sit down. Boop.